Hey guys, it's Nicole Hayes here, and today I wanted to make a quick video on a project that I am working on. About a year ago, I was listening to this podcast. It was like a spirituality podcast, and it was about, like how to bring in wealth and feng shui and how to decorate your house in your room, especially like your bedroom, to bring in prosperity. Like apparently energy like really matters, and where you have things located in your home and the certain things that you have, like including like dead flowers can like ruin the feng shui and things like that. It was a very intriguing podcast. Like feng shui is like a Chinese way of design style and beliefs and things like that, and a lot of people design their home for feng shui. Like it helps you like think clear and stuff like that. About a year ago, I wanted to build this, but the tech wasn't really there yet. We had GPT-4 Vision, but yeah, it's not as good as it is now. Now we have, Claude Vision, we have Gemini, Gemini by Google Vision. We have Llama 3.2 Vision, which is insanely good. So now I definitely wanted to build with Llama 3. Everyone has been talking about open source and Llama 3 competing with OpenAI. So I definitely wanted to build with him, and I definitely wanted to build with Groq. So I got to do both. Last night, I finally went back to this project and I made something pretty cool with Groq, and I got it working. I looked at the documentation. And yes, so we are going to go to Groq's website. So we are on Groq's website. This is Groq, guys. I honestly am obsessed with Groq. Like, I never knew. I'm honestly very new to playing around with their API and their, dev console. And yes, I'm like super excited to like even be building with Groq. It's extremely fast. It basically hosts, AI language models. It has Llama 3.1. Yes, it comes out with all of their new models and responds instantly. Honestly, like, I kind of think that the responses are cached. Like, they just, like, save the responses. I'm not sure how they do this. Extremely fast inference. So, for example, showing you guys the speed, I'm going to show what is Feng Shui. What is Feng Shui? And how does it help with attracting wealth, yes, in your home. Yes, it answered literally immediately, guys. This is insane. Let's see how long it took. It took Llama 3 8B, which is the smaller model, and it's not the newest model, but it took it 1 second. 1 second, guys. How is it responding in 1 second? Honestly, guys, like, now I'm a little like, my brain is just going crazy. So I want to go ahead and I'm going to clear this chat, and I'm going to ask the same question to the newest model, Llama 3.290B. And yes, I'm just going to paste this in, and we asked Llama 3.290B, which is a large model, and it still answered extremely fast and almost like less than 1 second. Okay, this time it took almost 3 seconds, which is insane. I barely even got a chance to finish submitting the inquiry, and it already provided an answer. That's insane. So this is what I built this app with, guys. So it says Feng Shui is an ancient Chinese philosophy that seeks to balance and harmonize the energies in a given space, such as a home or office, to improve the health, happiness, and fortune of its occupants. The term Feng Shui literally means wind, water in Chinese, symbolizing the flow of energy, qi, in the environment. Wealth area. The wealth area is located in the southeastern part of the Bagua map. This area is associated with the energy of abundance, prosperity, and financial success. This is incredible, guys. So yes, I definitely wanted to build an app that, has computer vision. So you just take a picture of your room and it helps you to rearrange and tell you where to put things. In the future, I want it to be like a live streaming, like probably in the next week or two, I'm going to add this feature where you just stream, your video camera and just show it your room, and it will have voice AI to give feedback on your room and, like describe your room and, just tell you where to rearrange things, what things to add in your room, like waterfall, like statues, and just have some like flowing water going in your environment. It brings, flow and energy and things like that. Yes, guys. So let me show you guys what I built now that you see how fast Groq is and building with it with Llama 3.2, which is by Meta. As you guys can see, okay, so it's called Peacescape AI. I'm pretty excited about it. So yes, this is the code, guys. I didn't work, much on the prompt. I didn't make it like super detailed, but I did have it ask, exactly what it needs to ask the user for Feng Shui. So based on your birth year and your birth month, and your gender, and the compass of your room, which I think I'm going to remove because a lot of people don't want to use compasses, on their phone to get the direction of the room, which is pretty important in the Feng Shui, I think, but I don't think that important. But yes, I think that people just like, personalize things. And honestly, this is really good. It was like mostly for me, I wanted to definitely rearrange my room to like bring in, attract wealth like at all times with Feng Shui. So yes, we're going to try it today, guys. So I made this code in Python and it is using Groq and Llama 3.2 3B preview. It doesn't need a huge, text model. Yeah, it gives a pretty concise response. And I'm using Llama 3.2 90B vision, and 90B means it has like 90 billion parameters, so it's trained on a lot of images, so a pretty huge model. And yes, I really love it. I absolutely am in love with Llama 3.2. And yeah, this is more of the code. And so now we are just going to run the bot, and I'm going to test it on Telegram. And I'm actually going to pause and like take a picture of just this space that I'm in, this podcast room, and we're going to try it with the app. So I'm going to press start here. This is the bot. I made this logo with Dolly. It's pretty basic, but I think it pretty much captures the purpose of the app and has calm, colors in the yin yang. Yeah, so I really love that. So we're just gonna press start, and then it's gonna say enter your birth year, and I'm gonna put my real birth year, and I'm gonna put my real month and my birthday, and I'm just gonna put female, and then I'm just gonna put north. Honestly, okay, actually guys, for this demo, I think I actually am going to use my iPhone compass just to get like real insights. So okay, let's see, what direction does your room face? So this is my compass on my iPhone, and since it's pointing toward this, I'm just going to like stand up, and I'm going to actually like take a picture of this room, and I'm gonna be back. So okay, so I am back, guys. I found out that the direction of the room is northeast, so I'm going to put northeast in here, and then I'm going to take a picture of the space. I'm going to take a picture of the space, and I'll be right back. So I am back, guys. I took a picture of the space of the podcast room, and I'm going to upload it to Telegram. I think I'm just gonna use my phone app to upload the image, and I think that it's going to pop up in this same conversation on the computer. So yes, I use my phone to upload the image of the podcast room, and let's see the analysis. Room analysis is limited. So this is the room, and for some reason it says limited. I'm not sure why, but personal energy profile, because that's but it's lucky directions are north and east. And what are the recommendations? Career, limited career. Add a north-facing plant or a small north-facing water feature to the room to enhance career energy. Relationships, challenging relationship. Add a wind chime near the southwest area of the room to enhance love energy. I think if this was a personal bedroom, so I need to add where it can detect if it's a personal bedroom or if it's not, to give a more if it's a business space, so it needs to differentiate that. So yeah, so it says add a plant and enhance personal growth, energy, stability, limited. Add a solid, stable piece of furniture such as a wooden desk or a solid wood bookshelf to the room. Okay, I think that that's pretty good, but overall, like, I'm definitely, this app is still a work in progress, but I think it's pretty cool that I got to build with Groq Llama 3. It answers pretty fast and it is processing the image pretty fast. I'm going to show another example with this pink bedroom here. Um, and it's going to do the process again. Okay, so I'm going to do start and it will do it again. So, although this is not like my real bedroom, I think it's pretty cool. And I'm just going to put northeast again because, yeah, so I am going to just use this image and see, what it comes up with. So yeah, this is Groq, guys. This just generated so fast. And okay, it's stable yet potentially stagnant. Lack of energy in challenging directions. Add plants or water feature. Yeah, like after using this app, I definitely learned that like adding waterfalls, type things like that is really important. To have like elements of the earth, in your house and flowers, etc. So yeah, guys, definitely check out this app. The code is on Replit. I also added it on GitHub, so definitely check that out. I'm gonna have the link in the descriptions. You can use this, as an example to build, any Telegram bots that you want to build. And with the Groq, you can see how the Groq API is used here. Yeah, so I'm pretty excited just about building with extremely fast, inference APIs like Groq, using open source. I think it's incredible. So yes, give it, definitely check it out, guys. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'm definitely going to be making more videos about my creations. I will be back with another video. Thanks so much, guys, for watching. And yeah, bye, guys.